am a child of Africa. I am proud
to be one of the thousands
of beneficiaries
of the Africa Taekwondo Phenomena.
I'm proud to say that
with love, involvement and support,
I will become a
productive and
successful citizen
in my community and my country.
Creating a bright future for children and youth by starting with them and their families is the only way. It's a way tried and tested by Africa Tikkun, where its heart for children is a colorful symbol of hope, care and love. Back in 1994, the late Chief Rabbi Cyril Harris and Bertie Lubner saw a need like no other to start community-motivated support projects and provide intervention when needed. Africa Tikkun expanded rapidly, tackling both community problems and providing support for children as well.
I'm Mark Lubner, CEO of this very organization that has changed more lives than we can possibly imagine. We've got a strategy and a very professional team capable of implementing a development program which is based on holistic care, holistic development. And this program is being well supported by a group of unwavering donors.
It is this ongoing support that helps Africa Tikkun run 6 centers of excellence in some of South Africa's poorest townships. Every day, Africa Tikkun delivers a holistic development model to over 17,000 beneficiaries, providing education, social, health and family preservation support. It is this support that helps them strengthen families and develop children from cradle to career.
My naam is Patricia. Ik is geboren in die Kaap. My ma het getrek in die Kaap uit 1972. Ik ben al 12 jaar in die Delf. Ons het getrek van plek tot plek. Plekke wat ons bygewoon het. Mense was onbeskof. Mense het ons kosgoed gesteel. Meestal ons breekgoed, klere. Ik het 6 kinders. My oudste dochter is 17. Sy is swanger, sy is op school. And she's pregnant, she's now 6 months. Her boyfriend doesn't support nothing. He's drinking, he beats her. So, lewe is altyd vir my lekker. Dit is baie onmoontlik, is my baie swaar. Kinders is honger, dat is altyd om te eet, dat is baie keer 'n droë brood, dat drink suikerwater, dat is altyd teesakkies hier so. Vir my is dinge baie swaar. Baie keer vir my waar die ma is, I must still have something more. My house bigger. It must be bigger not small, because for 6 children, it's getting crowded. I'm not actually into my neighbors. Don't keep conversations, you see, because there are people that's drinking, and when they drink, they're very rude, they're swearing, and my man stel glad nie belang nie, of daar kos is of daar nie is nie. Hy wil so sit agteroor en ontvang. Ek moet die werk doen, hy wil beskik word met alles om aangedra word. Hy sal altyd sê, ek is die vrou, ek moet moeite maak. Ek het gevoel ek kan nie meer. Is nou tyd vir my om self my eie lewe te neem. Regtig, myself onder 'n bus te gooi, want dit is hoe ek voel. En toe kom my buurvrou. Toe nooi sy my saam. Vra ek, "Want toe gaan ons?" "Nee man, kom net saam," sê sy. Ek vra, "Want toe?" "Jy het toch geen kos in jou huis nie, wat gaan jou kinders vanaand eet?" Ek vra, "Maar want toe gaan jy my vat?" "Kos gaat na my Afrika toe kom toe." Ek vra, "Nou waar is dit?" "Man, bring net jou bakke saam en kom." En van daar af was ek elke dag by my Afrika toe kom.
I've learned from my experience, no program will ever work unless it is accompanied by certain key issues. One is a program. What are you wanting to achieve? Number 2, what is the passion that you have to achieve that program? And what are the deliverables to make sure that that program works? We in Tikkun are passionate about everything we are doing because we've got a program that has developed through a progress of time, through our centers of excellence in the communities, that when you see the facts and you see the faces of our children, you know it's working.
The amazing centers in Gauteng, namely Utando in Brompark, Puta di Chaba in Alexander, Wings of Life in Diepsloot, and Arikopening Center in Orange Farm, all provide early childhood development, youth development, family support, primary health care, and nutritional and food support.
In the Cape, Delf focuses especially in family support and primary health care, with a strong emphasis on job creation and skills development, while Mfuleni Community Park provides the full spectrum of services to its community border in Khayelitsha.
We have a great admin and management team that live and breathe the values of Africa Tikkun, from logistics and accounts to fundraising, donor management and marketing.
Each and every aspect of our development and support program, developed and run by professionals and passionate volunteers, plays an integral role in the individual lives and the greater communities in which we operate.
Early childhood development speaks for itself. This is the foundation that every child needs.
The resultant effect of high-quality ECD is its help in breaking the cycle of poverty. The ripple effect of appropriate stimulation, nutrition, health, basic education and care through many channels is unprecedented. This prepares our precious children for a fair opportunity to develop and be prepared for a better start in schools.
The background and social situation most of these children come from is dire.
We must help the families and community help themselves in creating a good home life where the adults themselves are exemplary in their behavior and where the children are raised in a caring and responsible environment. Our Integra program involves home-based ECD, family preservation, social grant access, and a fatherhood program addressing abuse and responsibility. It often helps alleviate poverty by connecting families to government services.
The Gender-Based Violence and Child Abuse program is so closely connected to Africa Tikkun's work in the community.
Our GBV program is relatively new, and we've been working hard to coordinate this for the Diepsloot community. We are having great success in violence and child abuse prevention through education, intervention and counseling, and we are planning to roll this out to our other communities where our centers are. It really works well, side by side, other programs in Africa Tikkun.
Children and youth cannot concentrate on their studies or furthering themselves when they're hungry or when they have to care for sick parents or siblings, and perhaps many of these don't even have parents to guide them through life.
Many of our terminally ill and disabled people prefer to be cared for at home, close to their loved ones. The great thing is that we are creating employment and providing psychosocial support for 250 members of the communities, as well as skills training for careers in healthcare. Through our partnerships with Provincial Department of Health and City of Cape Town, we support all our local health facilities.
One of the things that Rabbi Harris and Betty saw as priority was a feeding scheme to assist with nutrition and simply filling the poor children's tummies so that they could then learn, play, sport and grow healthily.
High food prices and unemployment have meant that we make an average of 300 to 500 meals per day, about half of which are served on site. There are people who are starving and who have pretty much nothing. We rely heavily on donors for many of the food items, but are proud of our vegetable gardens that provide much needed produce and jobs. We also help these people on their way to nutritional self-sufficiency through ongoing education and monitoring of their situation.
The youth in South Africa are truly facing a grim future without additional support for their development. Africa Tikkun's Child and Youth Development Program really is phenomenal. We can show actual, tangible results.
The classes are often given by trained community members or past students, in turn providing employment. And of course, our beautifully stocked libraries and resource centers are facilities that communities have access to.
Apart from education and skills development, the opportunity to compete in cultural and sporting programs, both locally and internationally, has also shown that youngsters that go through the programs, that perseverance, ambition, and hard work can open a world to them in ways unimaginable. Africa Tikkun provides opportunities for young adults to become economically independent, whilst making a massive difference in these individuals' lives. They were equipping them to succeed in a township environment and not the world of work.
So this is where the establishment of Africa Tikkun Services Pty Limited comes in. It is a fairly new division focusing specifically on enterprise and skills development. The company provides a platform for Africa Tikkun to further invest in the development of young people towards career readiness and economic independence, as well as being a third-party vendor and receiver of grants for corporates looking to invest in the ED spend and earn maximum BE points.
It's not just about survival for these remarkable children. It's about their advancement in a country, in a world that is just far too unforgiving.
As these children and youth enjoy what is their right to a happy and fulfilling life, behind the scenes, Africa Tikkun, supported by many organizations, works tirelessly to ensure that these young people will never be let down or deserted, but be a part of a growing success awakening in Africa that Africa Tikkun is preparing them for.
Ek is so bly wat Afrika Tikkun vir my gedoen het al die jare en steeds nou nog. Ek voel baie proud of myself want ek het baie verander, my lewe het verander, my kinders lewe het verander. En is vir my 'n plesier om nog steeds hier toe te kom, om nog steeds dieselfde mense te kan sien vir wie hulle is en vir wat hulle is.
Africa Tikkun, developing communities in South Africa.